Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick video on how to add the developer tab on your Excel. As you can see the tab section, you can find the developer tab here. The developer tab is used to perform operations with markers. Now to add the developer tab, open up your Excel worksheet. You click on the File tab at the upper left hand corner of the screen. Then you select Options or Excel Options. Now you will see a pop-up window box where you can take the Developer tab by clicking on Show Developer tab in the ribbon. Then you select and click on OK. Once you're done, you can now see that the Developer tab is displaying on the tab section. So that's how you easily and quickly add developer tab in your Excel. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye guys.